Those and sugar snaps, we're going to dry walk those. We're not using any oil. We're going to cook those up real fast. All right, you can see I got that burn on the bottom. Actually, that is flavor. It's the only reason we're doing it this way. We're doing it for the flavor of that burnt taste. All right, there's a double pat of butter. That's a little, I went a little overboard. Go back, walk it. You watch all that burnt that's on the bottom will slowly come off. All right, it only took like a little bit, not even 2 minutes, I don't think. Got all that burn down. That burn's almost gone. I'm not worried. Let this soak a little. It'll come right out. I wanted that burn for the taste. All right, because we have excess oil. There we go. Remember those caramelized dehydrated onions? We need to make more. We're almost out. Oh, that's good. Save them for another time. Use them with something else. Now watch how much of that disappears when I walk it up. Got to walk it up. Those onions will absorb a lot of that moisture. We have 3 pounds of catfish nuggets. We're going to teriyaki those tonight. Make sure I got no, want to feel them, make sure I got no rib meat, any bones left over, like here, right here, I feel a bone. All right, we got rid of that. Tonight we're doing the teriyaki. All you got to do is rub them in your hands like that. Anything that's bad on there, you'll feel it. Give itself up. Oh, that one's got a little something there. See that right there? You can feel it's all hard. Garbage. Oh, there's another one. Don't want to eat that. Ruins a dinner. You'd be like biting into that. Going, ah. There's another. Feel it's real hard. There's another. Just pull them off or get a knife, cut them. That looks like 1.5 pounds of catfish. All you got to do is rub them. You'll feel any hard spots. All right, we got to wash your hands. I was going to cut these up into little morsels, but for what? Got our teriyaki sauce. I'd say that was about 5 tablespoons. More than enough. One thing about the teriyaki sauce, it's never ever going to penetrate that. All you're doing is flavoring everything else up. Pause. Boil, boil, toil and trouble. There you go. Shut that off. All right. The one thing, see all that juice? Normally we do cheese. Tonight we're doing shiitake mushroom powder. That should be good. How much was that? Maybe 3-4 tablespoons. But watch how much liquid that absorbs. Ooh, gives it that nice mushroom smell. That is my thickener. How good does this taste? Catfish teriyaki. This is the first time I remember doing this, to be honest with you. With sugar snaps. Oh, man. Let it cool off a little. It was just bubbling, so we know it was over 212 degrees. All right, here we go. Very nice. All right, I'm gonna let this cool down, and it's going into here. And what am I gonna do? Probably burritos again. Love you.